I'm going to be showing you how to log in to ING Bank Online. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So to log into your ING online banking, you need to go to your country's ING login page. So if you're from Netherlands, you can go to Safari and just go to this page and log in. And as you can see, you have all these information, and now you have the option to enter your login details, or you can log in via app. So it's completely up to you which option you choose. If you want to log in via the website, then just tap here, wait for it to load, just enter your username, and now what you need to do is enter your password. You can select whether or not you want the website to remember your name, and after you've done that, just tap on login, and that should do it. You can also try downloading the app and doing the same process as before. Enter your username and the password, just search for ING Online Bank, and you have all of these options right here. So there you go, that's how you log into ING Bank Online. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.